Installing Overwatch 2 can be straightforward even if you're concerned about performance. Follow these steps to ensure a smooth installation process. Step 1. Create a Battle.net account. Visit the Battle.net website and create an account if you don't already have one. This account is necessary to access and play Overwatch 2. Step 2. Download the Battle.net launcher. Once your account is set up, download the Battle.net launcher from the website. This application will allow you to manage your games and installations. Step 3. Install the Battle.net launcher. Open the downloaded file and follow the on-screen instructions to install the Battle.net launcher on your computer. Make sure to choose a location with enough storage space. Step 4. Find Overwatch 2 in the launcher. After installation, open the Battle.net launcher and log in with your account. Navigate to the Games tab and locate Overwatch 2 in the list of available games. Step 5. Install Overwatch 2. Click on the Overwatch 2 icon and then hit the Install button. Choose your preferred installation location and wait for the game to download and install. Once it's complete, you can launch the game and adjust the settings for optimal performance. Now you're ready to jump into Overwatch 2. Enjoy your gaming experience and remember to tweak the settings for the best performance on your system.